It's all right. It's just fine things as they are. You're not feeling so good right now. Let us take a moment of pause. It's okay to feel what you're feeling right now. And with this, I invite you to take a pause with me and take a deep breath with me. So let's take a few deep breaths together and relax our body and mind in this exercise. We will notice that when the body and mind is relaxed and the breath is going deep and fine, we will start feeling fine already. So my friend, let us take this moment to have a deep breathing in and deep breathing out. So we will take a deep breath from our belly, very important, not from the chest first. Belly will go in and belly will come out. Yogic breathing. Then when belly come out like a wave in the ocean, the next chest will come and then shoulder should open. Okay? When you breathe out, you will go back like this. Belly will go in, just push the belly in and come like this. So that we empty our lungs and then we can fill them up again and expand. So contract when you breathe out and expand when you breathe in. Okay? So I invite you to close your eyes and find a comfortable sitting position wherever you are in a comfortable asana. And now, on a count of 3, empty your belly, go like this, and then we will breathe in. Also remember that after the breathe in cycle, we will hold for a while, then breathe out from the mouth. After we have breathe out, then we will hold with the breath out before we breathe in again. Okay? So now let's start with this. So 1, 2, 3. Belly in, chin to the chest, shoulder forward. Empty your lungs. Now breathe in. Hold. Breathe out from the mouth. Long breath out from the mouth. Hold. Hold. Breathe in again from the nose. Hold. Breathe out from the mouth. When you breathe in, visualize that there's all white light around you, radiant white light. And as you breathe in, it's entering your body. This fresh prana, this energy is going to every cell of the body and lightening them up. As you are breathing in, visualize this light go to every cell of your body. And like soap pulls the dirt out of a body, this white light energy is going to every part of your body where you feel stress, tension, knot, heaviness, tension, anything like that. It is going there, taking out that heaviness, and when you breathe out from the mouth, it's all of that heaviness and dark energy, black energy is leaving your body and going out, and it is dissolving in the whiteness all around you and vanishing. So with every breath you inhale, let the breath do the job of cleansing your system, your aura, of lightening your being, of expanding your consciousness. and let the breath do its magic. Continue to breathe like this. And as well, when you breathe out, you may let out a sigh, a sound from your mouth as well, like this. Let out all the heaviness. Notice when you breathe in, the in cycle is 4 to 6 seconds long. Hold cycle is around 4 to 6 seconds long. And the breathe out cycle is the longest, maybe around 8 seconds. So your breathe out cycle has to be longest. Now let's try 3 more times. Breathe in, expand, hold, let out from the mouth all heaviness from the body. There's whiteness all around and inside your body right now. And all blackness is going out of the system and dissolving. Breathe in again, fill your lungs with fresh oxygen and your body with prana. Feel it circulating in every part of your body. And then breathe out. Breathe in, deep breath. Breathe out. Now observe, how is your body feeling? Are there still somewhere some stiffness, maybe in your stomach, maybe in your chest some heaviness, maybe in your face a stiffness, maybe your shoulders are feeling stiff. Any part of your body is feeling stress, stiffness, heaviness, a knot. Observe your body right now. If you are feeling stiffness anywhere in your body, take one more deep breath or as many as you need. Send that healing white light and energy into that area. Only by your mind intending this, the action will happen. The breath will do its work. You don't have to do anything. Just put your intention. So breathe in. Visualize the white light going into that area of stress. Taking like soap, attaching to that blackness, darkness, heaviness, stiffness, stress, anxiety in your body, emotional bondage, heaviness. And then as you breathe out, let it out from your mouth. See, just feel and experience that stiffness will start to dissolve. The breath will automatically do its work. So now keep deep breathing and see how you feel in your body. Observe your face muscles. Is your face muscles relaxed? Check your forehead first, area above the eyebrows. Your entire forehead. Check your eyebrows. Are they relaxed? If not, let them be very relaxed. Let gravity take over your muscles of forehead and let them drop. If you are holding on to any muscle, let it loose. The two lines between your forehead, the worry lines, stress lines, let them loose. Come to your cheekbones, your jaw. How relaxed is your jaw? Let the jaw drop from behind here. Let gravity take over. Let it go down. Let your cheeks relax. Let your nose and eyes relax. Go inside your mouth. Let your tongue drop with gravity. Now come to your neck. Relax your neck. Next to your shoulders, observe. Relax your shoulders. With every breath you can do this. Send the relaxing energy to that area and it will relax. Send it to your hands, to your fingertips, to your fingers. Every single muscle, small muscle of your finger, one finger at a time. Ask the finger to relax, let it drop down. You will notice that you've been holding tightly to the muscles. Let go. Let them drop. Now come to your chest. Is there any heaviness inside, tightness? Send prana there and relax. Your back, your stomach. Very important, stomach stores our stress. Relax. Hips, thighs, calves, shin, ankle, feet and toes. Relax the toes, relax your feet. Let every small muscle drop dead. See how relaxed you are now. How is the body feeling? You can continue to work on your body like this till you feel completely at rest in your body. No matter what is the situation which was discomforting you, let that be. But first, find peace and relaxation inside. Only with peace and relaxation do we feel good. Does life feel good? And actually, peace and harmony is what we want in our life the most. So right now, claim your harmony, your peace, your relaxation by simply working on your breath and your body. Now also observe your mind. How is your mind feeling right now? Is there some difference from before when we started? Observe your mind as well. And now, my friend, you can see your body and mind is more relaxed than before. You can use this tool of breathing anytime in your life, in any situation, to instantly feel better, feel fine, to find your center, to find your grounding, no matter what is happening in your life. Because life is not in your control. External situations, people, they are not in your control. But your breathing and your relaxation of your body and mind is in your control. And this simple tool will always help you in your life. Do watch our series on the breathing exercises, the module. It's the foundational toolkit for ensuring our well-being in life. Our breath is directly connected to health and longevity of the body, but our breath is also connected to our emotional and mental well-being, to the capability of mind to be empty, to expand in consciousness. Ooh. And as well, in this empty space, let the universe channel its knowledge and its divine wisdom and insights into your mind and your life, where your mind can stop worrying in such a relaxed state, and universe will provide you the best insights, because only when the mind is empty can we create space for something new to come in. Can we create space for creativity and deep insights to come in, to solutions to come into our problems. When we are relaxed, we can solve all problems much better. So my friend, as we wrap up this video, let's take one more deep breath together. Empty your belly. We'll do yogic breathing. Chest, chin to chest, shoulders forward, fully empty belly and lungs. And now expand. I hope this helps you. Please watch our breathing module and incorporate right breathing in your life to instantly claim your well-being in every moment, right here, right now. Namaste.